Guys, Shane here from Unity Beach. Today we've got the Willoughby Ellerton. This is an absolutely beautiful holiday home, guys, but we've got something special as well. We have got priority lettings, guys. All right, this is guaranteed income for this year. All right, on this holiday home here, guys, this is the kind of thing you could be earning. Okay, so this would be a 3-bed platinum, peak season, £6,500. If you take the peak weeks, £6,500 in your pocket, guys. But for this year only, we can advance you that. All right,
guaranteed.
Advance you it, guarantee it for you, and advance you that money for the deposit for this. Just gonna have a little look inside, Nigel, shall we? This is an absolute gem. Here it is, 2025 Willoughby Ellerton Extra. All right.
What you get with the extra?
Extra. You
Double glazing.
Double glazed, centrally heated.
Oh, this is nice.
Look at this. Absolutely stunning, eh?
Smells lovely and new.
Pull out bed as well, guys, alright?
What's wrong with the barrier?
Yeah, I was just hiding that. It was faulty the other week. We fixed it, don't worry. But look at this, it's lovely. I love the black finish here as well, guys. Very nice. This
is gorgeous, mate.
Yeah, it is a beauty. Absolutely beauty. Really nice colours, guys. Love the feature wallpaper on
Bit
here.
farmhousey, isn't it? It's nice, like
yeah,
nice
the black work
teak, isn't it? It's nice.
It's very modern, very in.
Plenty of seating space.
Yeah, oh, crikey, look at the size of that. Loads of room in there.
Perhaps you could let that out.
Yeah, Airbnb that all day long. What we got in here? Look at that.
Well,
Again, feature wallpaper.
Gorgeous.
Nice big double shower. 2 toilets as well, guys. There's the other one.
Is this a 2-bed or 3-bed?
3-bed, mate. This 3-bed.
Is it?
Yeah, nice and spacious, isn't it, for a 3? There you go. There's one of your twin rooms there.
Oh, big, isn't it?
Yeah, it's huge, mate. It's like a TARDIS. This. Look at that in there. Lovely.
Well, it's cosy, isn't it?
Yeah, very cosy. There. Here's the master bedroom. You got the USB charging points either side, guys, alright? But like I said, come on down, have a little look. Get signed up to the guaranteed letting income, guys. You can't miss out. It's amazing.
So this one, you probably get £8,000 a year, yeah?
Yeah. For a full year, £8,000.
Well, guys, you need to contact Shane. What's your number, mate?
07813 967 436. Give me a call, guys. Happy to give you a tour.
Is this the one with the special offer, 3.5 towards next year's site fees?
You're right, Nigel. This is a Willoughby. So we've got a special offer. Not only can you get up to £8,000 this year, guaranteed letting income, you can get £3,500 off the price as well. Or you can put it towards next year's site fees.
It's a no-brainer, isn't it?
Mate, savings galore. That's crazy. I forgot about that. Yeah.
Guys, come down and see Shane, guys, at Unity Beach. Thank you for watching.
Cheers, guys.